Welcome to the Motorized Window Coverings How-To series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group of shades that operate together. It's important that you understand and view the Part 1 copy and paste video before proceeding. So let's take this scenario. We have 4 shades controlled on channels 1, 2, 3, and 4 respectively. I want them to operate in unison, so I need to create a group on channel 5. Let's start with the first shade. Select the channel that currently operates the shade, in this case, channel 1. To copy, use a paper clip or some other small item to press and hold the programming button at the back of the remote until the shade jogs, which is a brief up and down movement of the shade. Now select the group channel, in this case, channel 5, and to paste, use a paper clip or some other small item to press and hold the programming button on the back of the remote until the shade jogs again. Now both channels 1 and 5 operate my first shade. Let's repeat that sequence on shade 2. Start with the channel that currently operates the shade and copy. Select the group channel and paste. Now for shade 3. Copy. Select the group channel and paste. Now for shade 4. Copy. Select the group channel and paste. Let's test our handiwork. You now have individual control on channels 1, 2, 3, and 4, and group control on channel 5. Repeat this copy and paste sequence to add as many new remotes, wireless wall switches, timers, or other devices as you want to control your motorized shades. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos in the Motorized Window Coverings How-To series.